Mike's hot honey and Nashville hot seasoning on this Popeyes chicken that I seen on TikTok.
No, sir, we were trying.
Boy, cut it, man. You like hot stuff. All right, so they pour the honey on there first. They usually do like an individual piece, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on there.
What you say? What's that?
TikTok is a new trend. It looked good, huh?
You know you gotta be hurt.
You absurd. You was too bad. All right, go ahead. And then I had made a grinder sandwich, so we're gonna try that too. I'm not really a spicy person, but I'm just gonna try this and see how it tastes. I'm gonna start with a little wing first. A little bit. Oh. And it's not spicy. That's what I was worried about. You like spicy stuff, though. That's hot. So, I'm all into the food. Well, this is my son, Mike, and this is my husband, Rick. And they decided to get on the video with me today. I'm trying something new by sampling, you know, food. I'm thinking about doing this more with the food that I cooked as well, to see how.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. When I cook, we'll sit down and eat it. Yesterday I did a hibachi.
That one sure did.
It was so good. I made my own garlic butter too. That yum yum sauce was hitting. I'm gonna make a video for y'all, but I'm gonna do a longer video with that one, so y'all can see everything that I made. But this tastes good. If y'all haven't tried it yet, go out and try it. Look, y'all better go get y'all one of these. Yeah, it's really good though.
Yeah, it ain't hot.
That's what I was worried about. Being spicy. It's flavorful, but it's not like nasty hot.
Yeah, that's no, this actually gets.
But you know, all they seasonings like that in this little pack, Walmart, I just seen salt and vinegar today.
I hate salt and vinegar.
I'm making some salt and vinegar potato chips. Y'all gonna see all type of salt and vinegar everything. Cause I was just wanting a salt and vinegar seasoning. And I was wondering how to make it myself. But Walmart done did something with these little seasoning packs. And they only a 98¢. But the way this economy is, they're probably gonna go up. Be $2. No, for real, the eggs was $24 last week. For 60 eggs, it was $24.
Oh, I seen that somebody said that's by the way cancel the Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, I'm about to get me some chickens. Like, I seen somebody say they bought a whole cow. They went in on it, like 4 people went in on a whole cow. They paid like $400 each. And the lady had so much like ribeyes, porterhouses, tomahawks. You know, one tomahawk. A cow, yeah, a whole cow probably like a couple of $1,000. But they said the meat will last you a whole year if you get the whole cow. But she got like a quarter of the cow. And they had $400 worth of meat. It was worth way more than that.
Nah, this is actually good. I wish I had some more lemon.
There's honey in there though, and the more hot honey.
Louisiana house out there.
Go get me some more honey. See that honey make it stick. You fought that one up.
Sure did. With that Nashville hot and that honey, they on to something.
Yeah, that just warmed me over though. It's right here.
It's him. Alright, I'm trying to bite this sandwich. I think we put what, buffalo chicken on here and ham with the grinder salad.
That do look decent though. I went home.
Publix got a chicken tender sub, and I was thinking about doing it. Like making the whole sandwich up like we normally do, but just put chicken tenders on the top and fried chicken tenders. Babe, your boy quiet all the time. You gotta say something, man.
I'm standing up my lip. I ain't moving like that though.
Alright, let me see. Oh, hold on now. I might have made something happen, Facebook. I don't know, man. Let me see.
For real, I gotta go up and talk to a woman and everything.
I might
Oh, you
just-
ready, huh? He ready, y'all. He
Can
wanna
I
do
bite that?
tacos and everything. We might.
Can I bite that part?
We'll see. Maybe tomorrow we'll do another one.
He fucking that shit up.
Cause the skin be the best part.
Them Pringles? Where Pringles come from?
You have to hide my snacks because if I don't, y'all two gonna eat them.
You ain't gonna do them little bone.
That part.
You ain't gonna do that.
That part. They're supposed to get ate. Shouldn't be sitting there forever with you.
Don't even do me like that. Just cause I don't eat all my stuff in one day.
We
Dang.
can be iffy out.
You gotta get it going. They got an expiration date on it.
Exactly.
And you don't even pay attention to that part.
It do be inspiring.
Yeah, that's some inspired for real.
No, for real though. It do. I just had something earlier. I looked at it. I was like, dang, it's inspiring.
Yeah, cause you want to just let it sit till you feel like coming back to it.
So I feel like eating it when I have a taste
And you can't
for
do
it.
that. When you get it, you gotta have a taste for it when you get it. That's why I don't get certain stuff. Certain stuff that I know I already eat too much, I don't get it. Cause I know it'll just be done.
Man, you gonna get like yo.
Yeah. You do make it the best though.
You can't pull that thing up at first. You got full of bottle. Where is that now? Put sugar in, cool it in, full of right, stir around. So you like it, then put a little more water up the bottle right there. And then you good. Stir it.
Okay.
The
So yeah, that's what y'all need to do. Make you a grinder sandwich. Get you some Popeyes chicken. Get the hot honey, and now get the hot seasoning. Put that on there, and then you take the chicken apart and put it on the grinder sandwich. Video over. Tap in with that.
Tune in for our next episode. This is episode 1.
Yeah, that was just the first one. Practice run, try run, you know.
But the onion
Figure everything out. But from now on, we're gonna be prepared. You feel me? This was last minute. She woke me up out my sleep. Made a video. So you know.
Damn.
But
What
the next
y'all-
one, we're gonna be ready.
Tell us
Table gonna
what
be
y'all,
full.
yeah, tell us what y'all want us to eat next.
Don't say no nasty stuff.
Oh yeah, we ain't eating nothing nasty.
Y'all put in the comments what y'all want us to try. Y'all favorite little snacks and put together. And you feel me? We'll try.